Hello everyone, today for unboxing I have the Matricom G-Pad BX controller, joystick or gamepad, whatever you want to call us. This is mainly designed to work with Samsung Gear VR or the G-Box compatible, and basically this is how it comes in the box. This is not, I don't think, designed to work with any Apple products, but Android mainly, either as a mouse or as a gamepad. Let's go ahead and open this up, see what's inside. Controller. We have a USB charging cable. And we also have a introduction, a user manual. To turn on the gamepad, you press the mode button down for 2 seconds, and as you can see, the light blinks and it turns on. If you don't do anything with it, once it's turned on, it will go back to standby mode where it turns off again. The gamepad itself has a rubbery texture. Round, bottom is plastic, hard plastic. Top, the joystick, definitely rubbery friction. That's nice. You have your standard buttons, direction, your X, Y, B, A, your start, select, turbo, and left and right buttons here. You have a mini charge port here. They do provide you with a long cable to charge, also to connect it to your computer. This is able to connect to your PS3, your computer, and also mainly for your Android phones. This is advertised as to work with your Gear VR headsets. So yeah, and to connect, what you want to do is basically go on your phone, press and hold it down, and for 5 seconds turns off. So press the X and the mode button together, and it turns on, and do a search for available device. As you can see, Bluetooth gamepad, click on it, it will start pairing and connecting, and as you can see, it vibrated saying that it's connected. The first indicator light is staying on solid, so that means it's connected. So that's basically it. I tried this with a game, and it works flawlessly, and a nice piece of accessory to work with your Gear VR. And charge, it uses 1 to 2 amps. You can use your standard cell phone brick, 5 volts to charge the gamepad. So thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please rate and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the description. I'll get back to you. Thank you very much.